Good evening, you all. Exam start out time. First August is started out. 10th August. They are coming here. Where she is going to sit? First. Don't think. Now all three come out.
बाकी जाना जल्दी जा भाई जा
हो गया सर what
अरे खाली करो
homework done?
yes
Let's come in. How many of you homework check?
सर उसका
उसका
है
उसका
नहीं उतना नहीं
check
हाँ शेयर
check done done
पैसा बोला नहीं था इसने नहीं किया इसको वो फंक्शन फॉर्मूले वाला 25 बोला था मैंने लिख दिया मुझे 75
खड़ा हुआ उसमें किया है लेकिन उसमें भरोसा नहीं है मींस स्टैटिस्टिक्स लिखा है और बोल रहे होमवर्क
पूरे सॉल्व फॉर्मूला
check the इसका these all people are hello next time you do no properly okay
hello so last time दिशा वेबिनार सेमिनार किसने अटेंड किया था दिशा मिली so today there are comments for this one it was formula from okay I just explain quickly what this is all about so I just take 2 minutes so UP also has a science division so 11 12 we do the preparation for the IIT JEE and NEET so how many of you are aiming aspiring to go for engineering medical दिशा मिलेगी आपको when you complete that program but अभी किसको लगता है okay at least I got few hands ठीक है बिल्कुल शर्मा रहे but नहीं शर्मा नहीं okay ठीक है so we have this program starting at UT next year April 2025 ठीक है now what are the advantages of having this program or enrolling this program with UT okay so again it will be the lectures and everything entire program will be run by the ex-IITians and these people who are part of the UT but along with that IIT में कितनी सीट है IIT में सीट कितनी है 10,000 के आसपास सीट होती है the chance of getting admission to IIT is less than 1%. ठीक है and what is from our experience at UT कि आप सब लोग या आप में से या जो इंटर लॉट होता है सपोज 100 स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो आईआईटी के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं देयर आर चांसेस दैट 100 में से 10 लोगों का आईआईटी में सिलेक्शन होगा एक्चुअल पोस्ट रैंकिंग में आ जाएंगे और बाकी लोग थोड़े से कम रैंक में आएंगे या इन द मिडिल ऑफ द ईयर 11 में ऐसा लगेगा कि ये मुझे बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगा एंड आई डू नॉट नो मुझे और क्या करना है मैंने 11 में पूरा 11 स्टैंडर्ड आईआईटी का स्टडी कर लिया नीट का स्टडी कर लिया मुझे बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगा बिकॉज़ difficulty level is that high. Okay. Now if because of someone's personal factor ऐसा हो सकता है कि मुझे बहुत difficult लगा मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है what to do the next step. या 12th में जाके ऐसा लगता है या 12th में एग्जाम देने के बाद ऐसा लगे कि अरे जितना स्कोर चाहिए तो उतना आया नहीं या रैंक जितना चाहिए तो उतना आया नहीं तो मुझे शायद आईआईटी नहीं आना चाहिए या किसी और इंस्टीट्यूट में जाना पड़ेगा। तो द एडवांटेज एट यूटी में आपका 11 स्टैंडर्ड में और 12 स्टैंडर्ड में 2 बार असेसमेंट होगा कि आपका करंट लेवल ऑफ प्रिपरेशन क्या है। So when you are learning for IIT JEE and NEET के लिए तो आपके मल्टीपल असेसमेंट होंगे इन बिटवीन, और जहाँ पे भी अगर लगता है कि आप स्टडी के साथ कोप अप नहीं कर पा रहे हो, then we try to provide you with the other options जो आप कोप अप कर पाओगे and you can really do very well equivalent life. For example, यूपी में काफी सारे स्टूडेंट है, एक स्टूडेंट ही उसका नाम मुझे याद नहीं है, she was also with the IIT preparation sincere student थी, 11 में पता चल गया कि IIT मेरे बस की बात नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं कि she was not well, she was good, but वो टॉप 1% में नहीं आ सकती थी, okay, but she was good, so she chose the study abroad option. अभी वो all I mean the entire world की जो रैंक है उसमें और वर्ल्ड रैंक 60 है, 15 है 60 इसका रैंक है, उस यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ रही है, ओके, देयर इज अनदर स्टूडेंट जो अभी बिट्स फिलहाल में करता है, ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स हैं. So the advantages of pursuing IIT with the UT that you have multiple options open at UT itself. आपको कोई और पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको डिप्रेशन में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, मुझे IIT का नहीं है, पढ़ाई नहीं करना है, मुझे और क्या करना है, ओके, आपका IIT का स्टडी अच्छे से होगा, नीट का स्टडी अच्छे से होगा, बट अलॉन्ग विद दैट देयर आर अदर ऑप्शंस ओपन, ओके. Now the reason why we are conducting this scholarship test जो संडे को होगा and that will be based on जो अभी तक आपने मैथ्स और साइंस में पढ़ा हुआ है, मैथ्स एंड तो फंडामेंटल्स जो पढ़ा हुआ है उसी के ऊपर होगा, ठीक है. उसमें से वी विल बी सिलेक्टिंग द स्टूडेंट्स और आपको जो स्कॉलरशिप भी मिलेगी बेस्ड ऑन योर परफॉर्मेंस इन द कोर्स. सो मेक श्योर इसका भी एक अच्छा सा कलर वाला पिक्चर बाहर लगा हुआ है एंड मेक श्योर यू फिल अप दिस फॉर्म एंड सबमिट इट. ये सबमिट करने के बाद आपको हॉल टिकट मिलेगा एंड यू हैव टू कैरी दैट हॉल टिकट फिजिकली ऑन 11th अगस्त. आपको टाइमिंग प्रमिला मैडम बता देंगे क्या टाइप का एग्जाम होने वाला है और हॉल टिकट लेके आना है. देन यू हैव टू अपीयर फॉर द टेस्ट. सिंपल टेस्ट होगा एंड मेक श्योर यू परफॉर्म. ठीक है, तो ये सबको मिला है, किसने सबमिट किया, ओके गुड, ठीक है. तो बाकी स्टूडेंट्स भी आप सबमिट कर लो एंड विल सी यू ऑन 11th अगस्त. So thank you.
Really? You had a school work. What is the school work? He doesn't have it to work.
So he was not in the competition.
Malika. She got the group work. Yeah. Turkey next time we will not seriously check the homework, okay?
बच्चे तो आने चाहिए ना चलिए.
नहीं actually he came late.
He came early but he was outside.
नहीं, I've seen what time. 4:10 years. उसके बाद. चलो, listen. Okay, so we are done. Hello, okay, no? Okay, no? Hello? How much? You got the paper now? Paper I got, but I don't know. Mark is. Viran, your paper mark has come. You did not have? चलो, okay, this bell will be there, no? Okay. Yeah. Statistics we have done the first exercise now. Okay. Now, like that. What happened? Today what will come? Sleeping.
Today not for.
Monday was there. Huh? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the last class we had discussed is called the direct method. Method, right? Second method. Method 2. The method is assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Written. Right. First I will give the formula, then I will explain. Assume the mean method to calculate the mean only, okay? Right, x bar is equal to a plus, who is that talking this? A plus d bar. Okay. A plus d. A plus d bar. Written where d bar is equal to sigma fi di divided by sigma fi, and di is equal to xi minus a. A is I will give now first you write. So learn all these things. Then no. If you want to join these two combined and write, you can directly also write x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. That way also you can write. Means instead of d bar directly you can return this way. Now, right now, where a is the assumed mean, where a is the assumed mean. Okay, return. Now look, one by one terms. Other than a, all the terms I think you follow. Fi, frequency. How will you get a di? Di is equal to xi minus a. Means what? Every value of xi, you have to subtract it. Xi means what? Class mark. Class level is given means class mark. How do you find out Chetty class mark?
Upper class limit to lower class limit.
Upon 2. Okay, so class mark you will get. Sometimes x is given directly also, so then that is xi is coming. Assumed mean, now I am going to tell what is assumed mean. Right. Assumed mean is any number. Assumed mean is any number. Generally we take the middle of xi. Generally we take the middle of xi. Written all of you? No one's got exams or middle of xi. Now that means assumed mean a can be taken as any number you can take. Okay, it's a your wish. Zero also you can take. You will see. Xi, that's enough. This one, if you take, as he asked me now, what zero? Can you take zero? Zero you can take. If it is zero means what is di will be equal to xi. That means this will be what? Fi xi divided by sigma fi. This becomes zero. That means this is direct method. Understood or not? Okay. If you take a is equal to 0, if you want to write when a is equal to 0, this formula becomes direct method. When a is equal to 0, this is the formula becomes the direct method. And a becomes 0, this di will become xi. Therefore, d bar is same thing only. Okay. Now, look, why it is used or where it is used. If I take it as a class interval 100 to 105, 105 to 110, 110, 115. Yani what happened? Huh? Speak now. Doubt is there. Huh? Actually what? Di is equal to xi minus a. Deviation from a means you have to subtract a from every xi, you will get the value of di. Xi, you know what is it? Class mark. A is assumed mean. Take the difference. Okay? Who else? A problem? Ask your doubt.
So why can't we just use first method on in all problems?
Which one?
First method only.
That which method to use, I know, I'll tell you. That's the now. That one I will tell you. This way. Suppose it is given as there 5 values. No, listen. I'll give you the receipt. Okay. These are values given. Okay. First is you need to find out the value of xi. How do you get xi?
Upper limit minus
Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Risha, don't worry. You know the way you're sitting, I am the only one. You don't worry. There are people out there. Okay. You have to sit with all the people. No. Not take tension. Okay. Not tension. Now. Okay. Risha, tell the material value. So tell na upper limit, we all know that 100 plus 100, 205 divided by 2, 202.2025 divided by 2 is 102.5. 200 divided by 2 na 205. What is the difference between them? 5 divided by 5 divided by 2 is how much? 2.5. 100 plus 2.5. Okay. Add and divide by 2. 107.5. Then equally it will come 112.5, 117.5, 122.5, 27.5, 30, 24, 132.5. This value we got. Okay now. Now, next is you take the value of A. You can decide any number to take. See this method, here 0, listen now. Why you take 0 there? Now why look here. We have to do this one to reduce the calculation. Okay, now look, how to reduce the calculation? Suppose if I take the middle of this I take it as A. It's not compulsory you have to take this one. Any number you can take. You suppose if you take this
Sir,
one,
you have to take one number for lakh.
any number. Suppose if you want to use like 100, okay, take 120.
8.5.
Why I tell you why it is taken under, you will come to know when you start do it. See, I took 117.5. Suppose if I take this one, anything you take. So therefore, the next is di is equal to xi minus how much? 117.5. So you have to subtract. How much you will get? 0. Now, 116 xi is this or no? This is coming as minus 10, minus 50. This is 5, 10, 15. You can check the 102.5 minus 117.5 minus 50. Okay? Are you followed now, Mali?
Yes.
Now, next column will come as FIDI. FIDI means FI and DI minus 45. How much? Minus 70. Minus 60. 0. 25 into 4. 24 into 5. 120. 14 into 10. 140. Okay. 12 into 15. Okay. The research is clear?
Yes.
Now, you need to get from here. We need sigma fi. Then sigma fi di. These are the summations you need. Okay. Summation how much? 10 plus 3, 10. 20, 30, 50, 70, 80, 90, 90. 4 plus 10, 20, 30, 3, 4, 5. Enough? Hard and general. Understood or not? Something else? Sit properly. Something else? Next, look here. This share what happened. Next is to the addition of this one. Look, add positive and negative separately. So when you add these three, how much? 175. Yes or no? Okay, 60, 100, 175. This one, 300, 440. Enough? Then subtract. 260. Huh?
265.
Three values are set.
265.
Pakka?
265.
Rest you?
Yes.
Okay. Right, right, right. This one is done now. Therefore, so now, therefore, D bar value is coming as what? 265 divided by 90. Therefore, X bar is equal to A plus A was which 117.5 plus 265 divided by 90. Okay, this value can be plus or negative. Okay, X X bar is equal to A plus B bar. Work is done. Just cancel and add it. That's why you need LCM. Divide. Division all of you know. Divide and add these two. You'll get the answer. Division also equal to. Method is clear? All of you. Now, next is you want to do by do which method. Question read which method is given. If it is not given that method means you have to do it by that particular method. If not, your wish to do, you want to do direct method, then in your direct method, multiply these. This is a 4-digit number and 2-digit number. Multiplication will be little difficult. You feel it's easy, continue, no problem. Okay, with this one. But how to do this one means you have to check which one to. You will ask which to go. After finding xi, check the question, give a specific method, do by that method. If not, if the next time is suppose RNP I given it is equal to let's say, well, this is 10, 20, 30 and all. Directly direct method. Simple ones do by direct method. If it is complicated, see this long multiplication means apply and assume method, it's easy. Understood? One step extra only you have to write it, but this is calculation is easy. Multiplications are reduced. Okay now, followed. When to apply? Now, whichever the method you do, if you do by direct method or assumed mean method, answer will come same. Whichever the method you done, the answer will same. Now, again, A, if you take one of you have taken this one or this one, answer will again remain the same. These values may remain different. This will remain, this will be different, then accordingly answer will come. Or if, whatever. With this summation value and they will be different. Automatically final answer will be same. Understood or not? Okay. Method, whichever the method do, final answer is same. Is it clear? Okay. Don't go to take the LCM and do. Or somebody will LCM or do it.
Sir,
Huh.
A kaisa? A, you.
I took the middle of this value.
Middle
Three.
नहीं होगा sir.
If you want to do, suppose, if last is that, if you want to take, suppose it is, don't take these are last values and all. Then big numbers will get down, multiplication will be difficult. So, suppose if it is taking on this one, you are taking A, no problem, you will get the answer. This is coming as how much? 122.5. Then, after that, check what is the value you get. This is 0. We can this minus 5, minus 10, minus 50, minus 20. This is coming as 5, 10. Simply don't write always 5, 10. Because you know, last size is 5, that's why 5, 10 it is coming. Okay, now FD will be accordingly will be changed. Understood or not? The value will be changed. It's always take it from here. Okay, for easy calculation. Is it compulsory? No. Okay now? All of you followed assumed mean method?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, this is calculation of mean by which method? What is it? Sleep. Sleep. I should be sleeping only, okay? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So beyond that, I am not telling. They are also sleeping. Okay. So, written the formula. Now look here. Listen. Even if it is instead of this one, if you are learning this one, absolutely no problem. A plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. Okay. Then not required this also. Okay. D bar is equal to directly this way. Sometimes you see this way. Other way also. What are saying? Okay. Chawan, stand up. You're Chawan, no? No. Your what's your name?
Yeah,
Yani? Your name, you are not telling me who it is. What is happening? So Chawan only should they should. Chawan. Okay. Chawan is Maharashtra, no? Okay. All right. Okay. What is your formula? Assume the formula.
x bar is equal to a plus d bar.
What is d bar?
Fi
Sigma.
di upon sigma fi di upon sigma.
Okay, what is di?
Di is equal to xi plus
That plus
minus
minus plus minus d. Okay. So xi minus a. Do you know what is a? A is assumed mean. So how do you take assumed mean? Any number or middle of xi. Okay, followed. Sit down, Chavan. What happened there? He fell down. All okay, na? Fighting out. Okay.
Good morning. Good next.
Exercise. One more method I have to explain. Let's do one question after that. Yeah. Exercise 13.2. Yeah. Picture. Rachel, take the 13.2. Yeah. Explain the read the question. Whose volume is this one? Where is the volume? Lost. So still Xerox is not taken? अरे
मेरे को लेके जा तो पहले बोलता ये दिन बोलता था तो मना कर दिया
Hello, you know, if you want to save money, means only exercises take
अरे
place.
उसने मना कर दिया वरना मैं ले लेता हाँ सर मैं मना किया वो पढ़ाई करता
Yeah, read.
अरे consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Daily wages is
Not table, not read. Then remaining.
find the mean daily wages of the workers by of the factory by using assume mean method. Assume.
Okay, good. This is only. Okay. Panka.
Rose. Sir, fan.
Do with the Sam.
Sir, fan.
First when or when all are quiet, I have to. So, class interval. Yeah. Allah, what are the class intervals?
100, 120, 100 to 120, फिर 120 to 140, फिर 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200.
That's all now. Don't miss any class interval. Remember again otherwise. Okay, frequency also.
12, 14, 8, 6, 10.
So, xi. Not xi, it's easy. How much?
110.
110. Then 150.
150, 170, 190.
Okay. Take any value there. Okay.
150.
So di xi minus 150. Now all of you do it. No discussions. After that FIDA. Summations. Di FIDA. Turn on. Then review. Okay. This is 0. How much? Minus 20. Minus 40. 20. 40. Okay. This is minus 480. Minus 280. 0. 120. 400. 520. Addition. This one. How much? 7 minus 760. Summation student. This is how much? This one. 50. No.
Minus
This is
240.
minus 240. Because all of you got it now?
Yes.
Yani, what are you talking? Riti,
Yes, sir.
who's talking there? Yeah? Anvi is talking. What are you asking? You ask me, I'll give the answer. Now, right. A is equal to how much?
A.
D1. Plus
150.
150. Then sigma Fi di minus 240. Sigma Fi 50. D bar is equal to sigma Fi di divided by sigma Fi minus 240 divided by 50. 0 cut minus 4.8. Na? Into 2 do na? 480 by 100 na? Oh. 480 by 100, 4 minus 4. Do it na yourself. Then what kya? Did you get the answer? X bar is equal to A plus D bar. 150 minus 4.8. 145.2. Therefore, answer. Read and check. Find the
Mean daily wages.
mean daily wages equal to. This step you have to write, okay? Lori, doing 145.20. Okay, all of you? No. I said there is no water supply is going over here, okay? You bring yourself. Last year you used to come bring bottles and you can throw it away. You, then me or what? Your story I had to tell to everyone? Last year what you used to do?
What?
Bring yourself, not to pass it to anyone. Speak it and put it.
ये युवराज ठीक है स्कूल में लेके लॉन्ग ब्रेक याद है आ जाएंगे क्लास में तुरु तुक्का ला तुरु
Yeah. Okay, done? Yes. Now, second question. Complete. Read the question.
30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor. The number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeats per minute for these women by step deviation method.
Okay, listen all of you, don't do it. All of you stop. Listen, I did not explain what is step deviation. You will know that, look here, these all are interrelated only. You have noticed that in the assumed mean method, if the value of A is equal to 0, it is what method? Direct method. Okay, is it or not? In there. Now, what is step deviation method? All of you listen. The formula comes as the similar one only, little changes. X bar is equal to A plus H U bar, where U bar is equal to sigma Fi Ui divided by sigma Fi. You must have noticed one other thing. If it is X bar means sigma Fi Xi divided by. I don't need to see these all water bottles taken in between the lectures. Have you seen any time I bring the bottle and keep on drinking? Okay, you can also. So once it in the washroom. Yeah. Okay. These all required means you know put some tube, one tube over here, one tube over here. That permanently will be there. Okay. know difference between human being and animals? Ask a bio teacher. Yeah. Just, yeah. Okay. Now, look. You are so sigma f u bar is equal to sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi, where ui is equal to xi minus a divided by h. Now, look here. This much you have seen this one. This method is called which method? Step deviation method. Okay. Somewhere it may be written as shortcut method. Okay. Step deviation method. Sometimes it is written as shortcut method. Very rare case only see. Now learn the formula. Now how it is? All the things you remember this one. What all things you don't know? Only H no. Okay. A you know. What is it? Assume. Okay, remaining on. Your UI is coming xi minus a divided by h. No. H means class size. Class size how much? 20. Okay, if it is 5 different. Well, how do you find out the class size? Upper limit minus lower limit, provided the class interval is continuous. Okay, if it is not continuous, means difference between the x values. Difference 20. Okay, if it is not continuous, suppose had it been if it was 119, then it is 19 only. That is not the class size. Okay, so you have to see this value. Okay, so here the value it is coming as what is it? Here divided by h, so same thing is multiplied. This is an extension of assumed mean method. Suppose if the value of h is equal to 1, check what will happen. This will come as xi minus a. That is same as di. And this is coming as a plus u1. If the value of h is equal to 1 means that is assumed mean method. If h is equal to 1 and a is equal to 0, direct. Yes or no? If h is equal to 1 and value of a equal to 0, that means ui is equal to xi. Therefore, this is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. That is same as this one. Therefore, it is a direct method. Or not? MCQs when it is coming. Or 10 minutes, 2 minutes early, that's why sleeping?
No, sir.
Okay. Very good. Every day you have to come on this time. Not try best, you will do it. Okay? Chalo. Right. Calculation. Method 3. Right. What happens here? Problem. Right. Calculation of mean by step deviation method. Mean by step deviation method. Third method. Okay. Step deviation method. Formula right. Then I'll show the steps how it is coming here. X bar is equal to A plus H U bar. Those are written, learn. U bar is equal to sigma fi ui upon sigma fi. If you want to join these two formulas, you can join it also. Sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi, where ui is equal to xi minus a divided by h. Right, where a is the assumed mean, a is the assumed mean, and h is the class size. A is assumed mean and h is the class size. Class size in bracket if you want to write difference between x size. Because if it is not continuous, be careful. Okay? Now, listen, suppose if in this question, if you wanted to apply the method, means over here, what is the relation between ui and di?
Y equals di and h equals.
No, di upon h is equal to ui. Now, what is the u? Di was what? Xi minus a. So this di upon h is equal to ui. Okay, that is why divided means multiplied over here. See, here it is divided now. Same thing multiplied. This understood? This is called now. Where is this applicable? Look here. over here. Listen, the value of A is how much? 150. What is the value of H? 20. Therefore, UI, listen carefully, is equal to XI minus 150. 150 now, divided by 20. Now, look, always means provided it is a almost, if every time these class intervals are equally spaced, means if it is 20 means everything is 20. Always your value will be 0, -1, -2, 1, 2. Always this way running. Okay. If it is provided this one, it is equally spaced. Means if it is 100 to 120, then 120 to 140, 140 to 160. Whereas if it is 100 to 120 and it is 120 to 130, then it is not this way. So if equal sizes are different now, class size should be same. If the class size is same, means this is 0, -1, -2, more is there, -3, -4, this one are only. Understood? You can check, is it or not? 110 minus 150, how much? -40 divided by 2. -2, divided by 20. Next, 130 minus 150. Minus 20 by 20, -1. 150 minus 150, 0. Understood or not? Always. So then, next step is what? FIUI. You can see, -24. Then, -14. Okay, this is 0. This is 6 and 20. 26. Okay, this is how much? Minus 38. Yes or not? Okay, so how much?
Minus
22.
Yes or no? Got it? And check the answer will come same or not? You can see. Okay, divide U bar is equal to sigma FIUI minus 12 divided by 50. Okay, that is equal to -24 divided by 100. Okay, then that is -2.2. Then correspondingly values you put no same answer will come. Okay, followed all of you? Sure.
Yes.
Anyone having a problem? No problem. Okay, take the second.
Get this -12. -38 plus 26.
Okay, some of these two. Agree? That's it. Question? Question? Huh? Why fan? You need fan? You're feeling what? Who required fan? But mouth will not be shut now. Visha, all will be, class will be quite okay. You are responsible. Okay? Done now? Condition, leave punishment. 10 questions.
Sir, not this one. Only that one.
No, one, fine. Yeah. Question, second one. Yeah. Duraj, read the table, class interval.
65 to 68.
65 to 68.
68 to 71.
68 to 71.
71 to 74. 74 to 77. 78 to 82.
Till where?
86.
Frequency of 5. You?
Frequency 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4, 2.
38742.
Yes, sir.
Then, all of you find out XI. Nobody will look into others' book. Not over here, add and divide by 2. If you want to copy, I'll write. Okay? Is it okay? Fast, you are waiting me to do?
66.5
Okay.
इसमें भी बोला वाला पनीर वाला पनीर
1.5. अरे यार that divided by
गलत
2.
है बजा दिया तो हमारा कैप टाइम बजा
This idea is okay.
ओ भाई मेरी सर ने किया मैथ्स के सर ने किया नहीं नहीं अरे नो
That, hello? 1.5 to be added over here. So he is writing 1.5. 66.5. 69.5. Copy down. That will be your waiting now. Ah, yeah. Then, look here. So on the middle, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay. A. What is the value of H? H is 3. है class size now. Therefore, Ui is equal to xi minus 75.5 divided by 3. You get 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3. FIUI. The calculation will be very easy. Multiply that. Done. Minus 6, minus 8, minus 3, 0, 7, 14. Sorry, 4 2s are 8. Then 2 3s are 6. Add 4. 6, 9. 9 plus 8, 17, 24, 28, 30. Oh, 30. 30. You want the questions or not? Okay. 6 plus 21, 24, 28.
32 यार सर अरे वो 2 plus 4 8
Huh?
8 plus 4
2 plus 4 is 8.
अरे 2 मिला 6
2 plus 4
हाँ 6
plus 3.
9
9 plus 8.
17
20 plus 7.
भाई तूने वही बोला अरे मुझ में से मांगा नहीं इसलिए मैंने दिया
8. Got it?
Yes.
Then, right. A is equal to how much? 75.5. H is equal to 3. Sigma Fi 30. Sigma Fi Ui is equal to 4. U bar sigma Fi Ui divided by sigma Fi 4 upon 30. Leave what it is. Therefore, next X bar is equal to A plus H U bar 75.5 plus 3 times 4 by 30. 4 by 10 is how much? 0.4. Try to do in simpler way. 75.9. Now, what was the question about? Heartbeats now per minute. Okay. Mean heartbeat per minute. Of women now. Of course. But women they not have heartbeat. Mean heartbeat per minute is equal to how much? 75.9. That's all of you. Okay. Next question. Completed. Letty, read next one. Question number three.
In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes stuffed in packing boxes. These boxes contained a varying number of mangoes. The
Okay.
following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes.
Hmm.
Find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding
Did you choose?
finding the mean did you choose?
That means you can do by any method.
Any method.
Okay. How to decide means first you find out xi, then you can decide.
Okay.
Okay. So right. Class interval frequency.
So it is not
Not
continuous.
No problem. Now need to make it continuous. Xi, look here. Xi we made continuous or discontinuous. Xi will remain same. You check now. R and divide by 2 now.
Yes.
Same thing only.
Yes.
If you make it into continuous and do without continuous, both same way means same. For the case of only for median mode, you must make it into continuous. What was the first? 52? 52. Then 53 to 55. 56 to 58. 62 to 64. Over. That means you all 2 to 3, that is 3, no? 15. So, FI. 50.
Yes.
Or 15. Then 135. Then huh? All of you keep quiet now.
20.
Then find out xi. You got 51, 54, 57. Which method you wanted to do? Direct method means multiplication will be big. Right. The third method do it now. It's very simple. A you take this one. That is easier one. Check. Well, second method also no problem. And h is equal to how much? 3. So now difference between any two xi values. Don't take this one. It is not continuous. Don't take 52 minus 50. So difference between x values. Okay. So xi minus 57 divided by 3. Then 0 minus 1 minus 2 1 2 FIUI. See the calculation becomes so simple. Minus 30 minus 110 0 115 and 25 to the 50 and get the answers. Who's that? I did not ask now. One Palak is there, one Paneer is
कॉमेडी बोला कॉमेडी चल अभी चाहिए थी तो कॉमेडी है कॉमेडी मुझे हंसता अंदर
Hey, don't show the
पनीर पालक
What is? What is? Yes, sir. Hundred, 200, 300, 400, 350, then 400.
25.
Okay, that is equal to A 57 plus 3 times 25 divided by 400. That is equal to 57 plus 0.75 by 4. 25 by decimal, no? That's usually easy, no? That is 57 plus much 18 forces 72, no? 18. Then
Yes, sir, you can.
division, do it. Then 75 by 4, you do it now. How much? 18 point?
18
17. 18 forces 72 now. Then 354. 1875. That is, most of we are not doing the calculations. Right. Mean number of mangoes equal to mean number of mangoes equal to 57.1875. What is the method used? Right. Which method you selected over here? Which method? Step deviation method. Don't write shortcut method. Step deviation method. Completed all of you? Okay. Next one. Shreya, read the question. Third question. Read it.
To find out the concentration of SO2 in the air in parts per million, that is ppm, the data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented with. Find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air.
So you have to which one you have to do the mean. So that also the method is not given. No need to do. Okay, question. Okay, question. Right. Sin theta is equal. Sin theta is equal to pi by 12. Okay. Find the tan theta plus cot theta. Tan theta plus cot theta. Yes. Quiet. Hey.
Sir, what do you want?
Tan theta plus cot theta. Value.
It was find out the
Also anything. Very good. It can be anything. Are value of tan sin theta is given now? Who got?
No one.
Third side is what? Root of?
119.
I thought it was two separate questions.
Yeah. Today is Thursday.
Yes.
Do the practice and come.
144 upon 5 root to 90. 119.
144 upon?
5 to root 9, 119.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Root 119 now. Jyoti, next class take the homework.
तो क्या